The by and large current exchanging volume of torrential slide especially is at $72,143,612, which generally is very huge. Avax cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline in a kind of significant manner. Avax United States dollar medium-term support especially remained at $13.68, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. Torrential slide's EMA10 certainly shows a descending pattern in a for the most part enormous manner. 15 October 2023, in this video we will for the most part walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and by and large attempt to answer these habitually especially got clarification on pressing issues, facts. What especially is genuinely momentary cost expectation for torrential slide, sort of is Avax a genuinely wise interest amazingly. Torrential slide support and opposition levels and so on, which generally is very huge. Be that as it may, prior to jumping profound into the Avax specialized examination, fundamentally let us generally discuss the sort of current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there really was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital currency market to $1,056,887,880,723, which in a real sense shows that market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the sort of whole cryptographic money market to $1,056,887,880,723 in a for the most part significant manner. The all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $16,142,267,714 in a by and large enormous manner. Bitcoin shares 49.9% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33%, exhibiting how 15 October 2023, in this video, we will fundamentally walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now, or for certainly 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these habitually for the most part clarified pressing issues, facts. What basically is by and large momentary cost expectation for torrential slide, in every way that really matters, is Avax a generally excellent venture, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,031.64 level after a vertical development of 0.61%, or so they really thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a cost increment of 0.28%, coming to $1,559.84 during the past 24 hours, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $209.67, following a value change of 1.54% inside a similar time span in a fundamentally significant manner. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, fundamentally is up by 0.36 and presently exchanging at 49 cents, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem and in every practical sense, huge way. These occasions basically demonstrate that the market especially is going in a descending bearing for fundamentally present moment, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Right now, and especially broad in every practical sense, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a very enormous manner. Torrential slide backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized pointers used to fundamentally recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a genuinely large way. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers sort of become genuinely more truly dynamic and in every practical sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing that Avax cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Similarly, obstruction in every practical sense is a level at which vendors in a real sense become move truly dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher truly further appearance, how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a cost increment of 0.28%, coming to $1,559.84 during the past 24 hours, or so they sort of thought. Following in every practical sense are the help and obstruction levels of torrential slide, Avax torrential slide execution. The very current torrential slide cost really is $9.16, with an exchanging volume of $72,143,612 in the beyond 24 hours, showing that help by and large is a level at which purchasers, all things considered, become most certainly more truly dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting that Avax cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost graph in a genuinely significant manner. At present, Avax really is somewhere near 0.11% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $3,249,622,605 United States dollars, which essentially is genuinely critical. Torrential slide value investigation Avax cost examination for 15 October 2023, inside and in every practical sense, day-to-day time period for the most part made sense of underneath, showing how right now, a general truly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they really thought. We utilize especially relative strength index RSI, moving commonly normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including truly straightforward moving genuinely normal, SMA, and dramatic moving certainly normal, EMA, to in every practical sense, dissect the future development of the torrential slide. Showing how which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,031.64 level after a vertical development of 0.61%, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. While Avax's Williams %R pointer generally is at 46.057 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange, extremely signal basically is genuinely conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 49.9% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially has a strength of 16.33%, showing how 15 October 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these regularly explicitly sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what fundamentally is somewhat momentary cost expectation for torrential slide. Essentially is Avax a kind of wise interest in a really significant manner. The Avax United States dollar moving sort of normal union and disparity, MACD, pointer, certainly is demonstrating a present moment in a real sense sell especially signal, as the MACD line generally is moving beneath in every practical sense, signal line which in every practical sense implies in a real sense bears really are overwhelming on the lookout, which generally shows that moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an unpretentious way. The torrential slide in every practical sense has basically break all its sort of supports levels, and things especially are not looking especially great for the crypto market, showing that the absolute exchanging volume sort of stands at $16,142,267,714, which generally is genuinely critical. Presently, for the most part bears sort of are in charge of the market and effectively by and large take Avax cost underneath the vital help level of $14.76, further